Hey guys, my name is Oscar and I'm gonna show you because my truck has an issue with the ignition switch and I need the part, but I got a big problem that I don't have the type the bolt of lack of tools. I can show you where that one, and there is the other one. This is one. Oh, this is the one that I'm taking off, so I'm gonna show you a trick how to do it without tools. So basically what I did was, where is it? Oh, right here. So I was doing this, pressing on the edge and turning really small, and as you can see, without tools you can accomplish results. So just gonna show you. There you go. Just pressing, keep turning. This is not the right way to do it, but I'm in the junkyard and I don't have enough tools on hand, and you know where nobody will borrow Rodel tools, so it's the way I did it, and I just keep doing it small by small steps. I will give you an update how it goes. Thank you.